We're going through exercise 10b, and in this video I'll be answering question 15, which says 4 boys and 2 girls sit in a line on stools in front of a counter. Find the number of ways in which they can arrange themselves. So first we have if there are no restrictions. So if there are no restrictions, it's really quite a nice question for us to answer. So we know that our n value is simply going to be the total amount of people we have, which is going to be 4 boys and 2 girls. So 4 plus 2 is 6. And the r value is going to be the places which we're trying to fill. And obviously, if we're just trying to put them all in front of a counter and there are 4 boys, 2 girls, it's just going to be 6 places. They're going to be 6 stools that we're trying to fill up. Now that we've done that, we could straight away answer this using our CAS. So let me do that. So we know what we're going to do is we're going to go here, we're going to go menu, we're going to go probability, then we're going to go permutations. We have 6 people. We have 6 places that we're trying to fill. That's going to be 720. But it's also important that we understand what we're doing here. So I'm going to get n factorial. So that's going to be 6 factorial. And then it's going to be 6 minus 6. So my n value minus my r value and the factorial of that. And that's going to be 6 factorial over 0 factorial. Now I know that 0 factorial is simply just 1. So I could write this out as 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 over 1, in which case my 1's are going to go away, but that isn't going to impact my answer. It's still going to be 6 factorial, which is 720. And the reason why is just if I take out that 1, that's equivalent to 6 factorial, because timesing something by 1 doesn't change it. So that's how I get my answer. But it's important that you not only know the mathematics behind it, but also know how to use your CAS efficiently. Perfect. Let's now go on to B, in which it's saying if the 2 girls wish to be at the ends. So now we are dealing with restrictions, and remember our principle that when we are dealing with restrictions, we need to deal with them first. So let me put out the places. So I have 6 stools. So let me do that. There we go. Perfect. Now what this is telling me is that the 2 girls wish to be at the ends. So I'm going to have a girl here and a girl here. Well, if I know that I have 2 girls, then that means to fill this spot, I have 2 options. And then to fill this spot, well, I've already put 1 girl here, so there's going to have to be only 1 left that I have to put there. Now I need to use up all the boys, and they're going to be in the middle here. Now I have 4 boys. So remember, I initially had 6 people to deal with. Then I got rid of 2 girls. And now, obviously, I only have 4 left. Or you could just say I have 4 boys that I have to get rid of now. So that's going to be 4, 3, 2, 1. And now you're going to answer this. 2 times 4 is 8, times 3 is 24, times 2 is 48. So your answer will be 48. I've done that correctly too. 4 is, yep. And then just double check this. That is correct, 48. So that is your answer. That is your answer. Hopefully this was helpful to you in answering this question, question 15 in exercise 10b. And I believe this is the last question you needed to answer for your homework. So good on you. Hopefully this topic now makes a lot more sense.